So all the way from Nashville to Olive Branch. We left out, or I left out about, oh, it was about 4:10, I guess, and hit the interstate and didn't put the top down till about 2 hours later, or the top up till about 2 hours later. We never said I was smart. But back home with the owner, you're welcome. I'm not going to put you in the thing because I know how you are. So there's the other two. I noticed there's a theme here on color. Is there a reason for that?
Well, yes, there is. The little Buick, I didn't have any choice. The Lincoln was ordered by my grandmother, and the big Buick, it was painted white to pay homage to my parents' '74 Electra Limited. Because it was white. So that was the only choice color.
So there is a reason. So after all the EFI conversion, the Hyperspark, of course the AC stuff we already had done when it went home the first time. There you go. Drove her all the way, what is it, 230 miles?
Yep.
Roughly. No issues. Fuel mileage actually wasn't terrible. Only had to stop once to put fuel in it. I haven't worked the math out on that as far as what the mileage it actually is on this thing. But yeah, so that one and that one I drove back when they were done.
Yes.
Yeah, so there you go. Nice little stroll and a couple nice vehicles. So there you go. I guess you could say that'll be the final video on that one for a while, because it is back home, and you're welcome.